So I haven't really done a presentation of my bike yet, but this is the bike. It's a GASGAS SM 125 from 2004. It has like a V-based headlight, and it has the Doma racing exhaust, and it has a FMF silencer. I have big plans for this bike actually soon, so stay tuned for that. So today I'm gonna do a bit of a wheelie practice session. Just practice because I'm not that good at wheelies yet. I'm getting a bit better, but I really have to practice a lot more. I'm gonna do some wheelies, and then I'm gonna talk about where I'm gonna go with this bike in a couple of days. That was first gear. Second gear. That was pretty fast wheelie actually. Yeah, that was like a slow, very technical wheelie. Those are the hard ones. The fast wheelies are not that hard to control, but like slow wheelies are very hard to control. I'm gonna try to like, do very technical slow wheelies before I start to learn the faster wheelies. Stop it! Fuck. Oh shit. Bike died. Oh yes, I actually tapped the rear brake right there. That was pretty good. I'm gonna try to like control it a bit more with my rear brake, so I learn it a lot more. So tomorrow I'm actually going to Stockholm for the 325 meet. I'm gonna meet up with a friend in Stockholm, and we're gonna go to the big meetup. Probably meet some people, some nice people who also ride bikes. So yeah, it's gonna be very fun. I don't know why the containers there. This was the best wheelie spot. Now they have ruined it with these containers. Yeah, sometimes it wants to go up, but sometimes it doesn't. And now it wants to go up. That was at balance point. Yeah, that was a bit scary, but yeah, not that scary. Okay, so that was actually it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the Frihamnen video, so stay tuned for that. Yes, goodbye.